Reporting after the bell today, Qualcomm, whose Snapdragon mobile chips are used by both Apple and Samsung in their smartphones. Qualcomm pulled in 1.26 per share, $1.26 in the first quarter, their first fiscal quarter, a top-line beat of 8 cents. Revenue was 10% higher than it was a year ago, but was still a little less than forecast. Shares of Qualcomm popped initially on the report, but there's one thing that Qualcomm is counting on for future growth. Josh Lipton explains.
If you use a smartphone from Apple or Samsung, then you rely on Qualcomm's technology. Its chips are the brains that make smartphones smart. The company's chips are in 70% of smartphones around the world. Analysts say it's China that holds the key to Qualcomm's future. In the second half of the year, China Mobile, the world's largest carrier, will continue to roll out its new wireless 4G network, a cell phone standard in which Qualcomm is the clear leader.
So with China Mobile rolling out the networks this year and handset volumes ramping this year and longer term, that's a new incremental growth driver to Qualcomm's business.
The potential for Qualcomm in China is huge. According to market researcher IHS, the 4G smartphone market in China is set for explosive 1,500% growth this year. Analysts say Qualcomm is well poised to capitalize on the opportunity.
They have, over 95% market share by units of the chips that go into LTE handsets worldwide. So that maturity is going to be a differentiator for them.
But there are also risks for Qualcomm in China. Reports say regulators there are threatening the company with a $1 billion antitrust fine. The details aren't clear, but Walkley says it looks like the Chinese government is trying to win concessions from Qualcomm as it rolls out faster mobile networks. Low-cost tablets and smartphones made in China are also pressuring Qualcomm. The competition is coming from Chinese chip companies such as Rockchip and Allwinner. Mark Su of RBC is looking for a possible, quote, Snowden effect. Companies doing business in China, such as Cisco, have said that NSA revelations by Edward Snowden have spooked customers there. So the question is whether Qualcomm could suffer from anti-American sentiment. Qualcomm is in negotiations with the Chinese government over licensing fees over its technology and possible antitrust fines. The company offered no comment on the status of those talks. Josh Lipton, Nightly Business Report, Silicon Valley.